Hi, and welcome to Adells. Today we're taking it slow, enjoying a lazy day at home, and I'll guide you through a calm manual pump session. If you enjoy these relaxing routines, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. You might be sitting on a cozy couch, wrapped in a soft blanket, or on the bed with pillows around you. Home is your safe space, a place where you can slow down completely and focus only on yourself. Before starting, make sure everything you need is nearby: your manual pump, a clean container, and a small cloth. Keep a glass of water or a warm drink close. Hydration makes everything feel more comfortable. Settle into a relaxed position. Support your back with cushions, rest your arms naturally, and let your shoulders drop. Take a few deep breaths, in through the nose, out through the mouth, and feel your body begin to soften. Pick up your pump gently. Start with slow, steady squeezes. There's no rush. This is your time. Think of the rhythm as a gentle wave, smooth and consistent. Focus on the comfort of your surroundings. Notice the softness of your blanket, the quiet of your home, or the warmth of sunlight through a window. Let these details help your body relax even more. If your hand starts to feel tired, pause for a moment. Shake out your fingers, roll your wrist, or switch hands. Even small breaks keep the session smooth and comfortable. Sync your breathing with your rhythm if it helps. Inhale as you prepare. Exhale as you release. This simple coordination adds a calming, almost meditative element to the session. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to your body and your comfort. Think of pleasant things: soft music, a warm drink, or the feeling of taking time just for yourself. Thank you for sharing this peaceful, lazy day session with me on Adells. If you felt relaxed and supported, please like this video and subscribe for more gentle, calm guides.